freaking cold outside. And it's also really snowy. 12 inches at least. So it's time to plow. But I gotta get to the tractor. So here we go.
So we have got about 12 inches of snow in the last day. That's abnormally high for western Washington, up here on the Olympic Peninsula. It's been kind of interesting. And there's a whole lot more snow expected over the next 5 days, which is really going to be interesting. We've never actually received this much snow in the 30 years that I've been living here. So I definitely got the tractor out and started plowing the driveway out to the paved road where the county takes over the plowing so I don't have to. This amount of snow is really abnormal for us. I definitely wanted to take the opportunity to get the tractor out here and put it to good use, though. I have been slipping and sliding all over the place here with the tractor. It's worked pretty well. I have to say a box blade isn't really the ideal tool. I'd really like to have a back blade, which is angleable, which would allow me to push the snow off to one side or the other. But I make work what I got. I've got the front loader and the box blade, and I was able to get the driveways cleared up to the point where we could definitely drive down them and get out there. You see here I've cut the snow all the way down to the dirt. My hope is that if it freezes up overnight, I'll still have a little bit of traction on the dirt when we go to head out of here to go into town. I only recorded this section of the driveway. I actually have almost a quarter mile that goes all the way out to the paved road, and I did take the time to go out there and plow most of that out. Most of my neighbors were very, very thankful that I took the time to go cut it and get all the snow off the road. Definitely made their lives a lot easier. Got a couple of thank you texts, which was really appreciated later on. Overall, the tractor worked well. I've never actually used it for plowing snow like this because we don't get snow like this normally in Washington, or western Washington, that is. But got it plowed, got it done, and overall pretty happy with it. Definitely worked. Like I said, I'm going to go invest in probably a back blade, which would work a lot better on the back of this tractor. One of the things with this box blade is it builds up snow in it, and then I have to go shake it out quite a bit to make it work effectively. But overall, it was an okay tool for this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely got to watch me slip and slide a little bit. Overall, it was a fun day out here playing in the snow. I hope you guys will check out. I'll have my tractor series of videos up here in the corner and the garage series for sure. Definitely hit that subscribe button. It always helps me out in the long run. Until the next time, thanks for watching.